Here's a festive variation on my little fat stick feeders. Very easy to make again. I'll show you how easy. If I take these off here, you can see that all we've got is some sticks cut to varying lengths with a hole drilled along the centre line, and then we've got just a barbecue bamboo stick. I've drilled a hole in a scrap piece of wood. We pop that in there. We've then got a little bit of stick that I've drilled a hole down the end to form the trunk. And then with the rest of the sticks, we're going to cover them in fat and seed again. So we start with the biggest one and then we work our way along. Well, there you go. There's my festive feeder fat stick tree. Try and say that after a couple of sherries. Have a go at making one yourself and share some pictures with me online.